The first smartphone in Realme's newly minted Neo series is here with the Realme Neo7, and it pairs high-end specs with mid-range pricing. The device features MediaTek's Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, a flagship-grade SoC from earlier this year, alongside a massive 7,000 mAh battery with 80W charging and an IP69 rating against water and dust. Neo 7 is built around a 6.78-inch 8T LTPO OLED display with FHD Plus resolution and a 1:120Hz refresh rate. The BOE-made panel also features 6,000 nits peak local brightness and crystal armor glass protection. Realme also integrated an optical in-display fingerprint scanner and a 16MP selfie cam inside a punch-hole notch. The Neo 7 back houses a 50MP main cam, IMX882, with a 26mm equivalent lens and OIS. It's joined by an 8MP ultra-wide with a 16mm equivalent lens. The software side is covered by Realme UI 6.0 based on Android 15. The phone also features Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4 and a massive 700mm Superscript 2 VC heatsink. The 7,000 mAh battery is claimed to last up to 3 days in Realme's internal battery tests. Realme Neo 7 comes in white, blue, and black colors. Pricing for the 12/256GB trim in China starts at 2,199 Chinese yuan, $302. The top-tier 16GB RAM and 1TB storage version is 3,299 Chinese yuan, $454. Buyers in China can pre-order the Neo 7 starting today from Realme's official web store with deliveries scheduled for December 16th.